Today we're baking and sharing Brazo de Mercedes. It's a failed Brazo de Mercedes, and we're showing you the mistakes to avoid when preparing. And above all, how to rescue it and serve it with confidence. Not bad, it was saved. Please join me at my small kitchen for some learning and fun here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Hello, warm greetings. I'm excited because I'm doing this again. I think it's been 4 years since the last time that I made it. And I'm happy because I have some upgrades. I'll be using this time the real ingredients. Before, it was mainly replacements. And I have the right tools now. Yes, we have improved. What I want to say, if I was able to do this without any proper equipment and with even replacement ingredients, you too can do it. In this cooking session, I'll be showing you how to polish these steps. Now, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we already know. This is basically custard cake, so what do you expect? It is eggs. We need 10 eggs. And according to the, by the way, we're doing the original recipe. We need sugar, cream of tartar. I've been using vinegar as a replacement for baking tartar before, or cream of tartar. I should say, I can't even pronounce it. I can't even recall it. Cream of tartar, and this time we'll be using high-grade vanilla. This is what they call the Bourbon vanilla extra. Sugar, and what else? This we've used before. And did you see this already? This is my new mixer. Now, and I was talking about replacement ingredients, not just ingredients, but also tools or equipment, or utensils, equipment. I was using this, the tray of the oven, instead of a jelly tray. This is the ideal tray for that, but yet this work. I just to fold the baking paper here to keep the meringue from spilling over. And what else? I was also using replacement this. I didn't have the right spatula, and I didn't have the what was it called, the pastry comb. Now I have them. So we expect to be able to do this better. Almost perfection. That's why stay with me. So I think it's instead of talking, let's start preparing. Let's start preparing the eggs. Just split or separate the egg yolks or the egg whites from the egg yolks. How do we do this? This is the tip that I want to show you now to avoid accidental mixing of the egg yolk to the egg white. We need to do it carefully and as much as possible, one by one. In case we break one, we don't contaminate the entire batch. I might as well show that to you. Oh, I forgot this. We also need confectioner sugar. You know what I've been using? I just grind ordinary sugar and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, so every cup of white sugar. It worked. And it's free. Now I've upgraded. I'm using the real ingredients. Later with that. Let's do first the egg yolks. And we have to be more organized. If you dare, you can also do 2 eggs at a time. In case it happens, you only lose 2 eggs and not the entire 10. Any trace of fat in the egg white will be a disaster. I've experienced it before. No matter how you twist it. it will not foam. Meringue will not develop. So slowly, the lowest quantity at a time. Oh, wrong. That was almost an accident. Mix with the white. Three more. That was the last. Thank God. No breakages. Thank God, no breakages. We can set this aside for now. Throw away the egg shells. We'll use them in the garden. They're rich in calcium. What do we do next? The meringue. You know, I'm tempted to show this real time to the entire period of preparing this. I'll show you the special stage, not the stages, the special points where attention is needed. It will be noisy, that's why. So, first let's whisk this before, is it even plugged in? Oh yeah. Slowly, we just need to break the egg yolks. Whisking to break the egg whites, and then we'll add the cream of tartar. 1/2 teaspoon. Yeah, that will be enough. And we resume whisking. And this is my proven way of adding sugar very gradually. You stop whisking when stiff peaks develop. It's no rubbery, look. And still shiny. And they say when you hold it above your head, it should not fall. There should be tension. Let's try it. Yeah. It didn't fall. So we can continue. We need a non-stick baking paper for this. To line our jelly tray. I can use a small amount of our meringue here as adhesive. Just to keep the baking paper from moving. And we're good. And the oven has been preheated. Look how smooth it is, but it's boring. Let's add some design. That's where our pastry cone comes in. Before I didn't have this, I used simply a cone. Oh, not a cone, fork. And into the oven. Just bake it until it becomes golden brown. The top becomes golden brown. At 170 C. While that bakes, let's prepare the custard filling. And we do it a la bain-marie or baño Maria, meaning just cook it or bake it, and cook for our case in boiling water to keep it from being burned. gentle coat. What else do we need for this? Lemon zest, just a pinch. We don't want to be very strong. Did I say lemon? Orange for my case. Okay, that's more than enough. And the what's this? The vanilla. According to your taste and on your economy. I'd like to add just a pinch of salt, even less than that, to enhance the flavor. Anything with salt tastes better, even for cakes. Yeah. I don't have my whisker here. It's at the garden, so I'm using this time another replacement. I use this. See, it works. It works. It's time to invert it and roll it. There's a purpose to this. Let's apply first confectioner's sugar to keep it from sticking. I'm going to roll it while still warm to prevent it from breaking. Draining it to assume its rolled form. Generous Romulo. Okay. Cooperate. You split it. Okay. It's not totally non-stick. Look at that. I was misled by the label of the baking paper. It says no non-stick spray or non-stick butter necessary. But we can still save this. This is the interior, so we should not worry. That was a disaster. Let's see if we can still save this tomorrow. I think I was able to save it. Instead of a roll, I made it into a loaf. A roll, when broken, is a loaf.
And proudly serve at our potluck at the office. I hope you've been inspired to do the same, to bake Brazo de Mercedes at home, regardless of your skill level. Like me, it was still a success, nevertheless. Delicious. Everyone happy. See you next time.